One of the cool things about ham radio is that we have so many different things that we could do. You have things like Parks on the Air, POTA. You have Summits on the Air, SOTA. But for some of us, trying to get to a park or even a summit, yeah, that's a pretty long trip. Today, I'm starting something new. I'm starting my own on the air. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised where you can participate in this. Let's check it out. We need to have some rules to this. We got to follow the rules. POTA has rules, SOTA has rules. We got to have them. Number one, you got to have 5 SSB or phone contacts. Number 2, you got to get 2 digital CW or PSK, RIDI, to something non-voice contacts. 2. Number 3, you got to buy at least 1 product. Number 4, you have to park or activate in an area within about 50 feet-ish or so of the parking lot or in the parking lot. But we're not going to interfere with their business. So if it seems like it's busy, you can park nearby, no problem. The 5th and the most important rule of any of this, have fun. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to McOTA, or McDonald's On The Air.
I got McDonald's.
So the setup in the car, I got the Yaesu FT710 sitting on top of my Apache case, hooked into a small battery box down there. Hot apple pie, and right over there is McDonald's. Antenna set up on a mag mount. I have a ham stick tuned to 20 meters, and I just got it running into the car there, right through the window. Down in the description and in the timeline, I'm going to provide chapters, just like I always do for all my videos. Back to it. All right, see if we get some contacts. Kilo Charlie 9, Uniform Sierra Bravo.
Kilo Charlie 9, Uniform Sierra Bravo, 5727 in Fort Bragg.
Roger, roger. I got you coming in 5-5, 5-5 in Northern Illinois. 73, thank you. First, McOTA contact. Kilo 4, Alpha Charlie Juliet. Thank you. Okay, number 2, we got November Charlie Bravo Mike. Barely coming in. A lot of noise out today, so we're just barely getting these. So, got a few more. Let's see what we can get. Kilo 7 Romeo Charlie Romeo. Number 3, he's in New Mexico. So we're knocking them out. So I'm having a hard time recording this because I have to turn up the volume so loud on here that basically I'm just drowning my microphone out. So I'm sorry that I'm not catching all of this. I'm doing the best I can. So that's why I'm just kind of saying, okay, I just got this call sign and this call sign. All right, on to the next. Just noise. It's hard. Today is pretty difficult getting contacts, but we got a couple more to do.
Alpha Charlie 3, November, Quebec, for Parks on the Air. Georgia.
Kilo Charlie 9, Uniform Sierra Bravo.
Kilo Charlie 9, Uniform Sierra Bravo. Uniform Sierra Bravo. Okay, got it there. You are 5 and 9. Go ahead.
Roger, roger. I got you coming in 5-7, 5-7 into Illinois.
Roger the 5-7 Illinois. Brian, thanks for the contact in 73.
73, thank you.
Alpha Charlie 3, November, Quebec, with Parks on the Air. Sure, Doug.
All right. Alpha Charlie 3, November, Quebec. And we are hitting him over in Michigan.
CQ Parks on the Air.
One
CQ
more.
Parks on the Air.
One
Alpha
more.
Charlie 3.
T-break. Kilo Charlie 9, Uniform Sierra Bravo. That's Kilo Charlie 9, Uniform Sierra Bravo. I have you coming in 5-5, 5-5. QSL, QSL, I got you coming in 5-5. Illinois, thank you very much, 73. All right. Okay, our last one was AA4BC from South Carolina. So that's 5 phone contacts. Next up, let's get a couple FT8 or digital. Might try my Yaesu 6100 and see if we can pop off a couple FT8s. See what we get. We're still in the same place. There's McDonald's. This is Yaesu 6100. And let's see if we can get a couple digital QSOs. So to give you guys an idea of the SWR on the ham stick that I'm currently using, let's see what we get. Pretty good. That's pretty good. You know, the one nice thing about doing FT8 is that it gives me a chance to eat my apple pie. Oh, nothing like it. Listening to the sounds of FT8, eating an apple pie, doesn't get any better than this. All right, not bad. Getting somebody right now. Awesome. Okay, looks like we're getting our second FT8. Looks like we got N2XSG. Woohoo! Our first McOTA, or McDonald's on the Air, was successful. We got 5 phone contacts and 2 digital. It's in the books. It's official. The first McOTA. Okay, I gotta throw this disclaimer in here just so that this is out there and it makes everything pretty clear. This video is a parody and a spoof and is not affiliated with or endorsed by the McDonald's Corporation. If you didn't know that, I really can't help you. Just saying. I hope that you all took something from this. It's meant to be fun. I'm not actually starting a McOTA or McDonald's on the Air. This is just meant to kind of be fun. I might do more of these with other places. If you live in an area where you may not have a park readily available to you, I thought to myself, well, what's the next best thing? And there are tons of McDonald's. Like, some cities have multiple. Just something fun to do with ham radio. Do me a favor, if you got anything from this, smash that like, hit that subscribe. I have more stuff coming that you may find interesting or fun. Leave in the comments what you thought. Is this a good idea? Or is this just asking for trouble? When I was originally trying to do this video, by the way, I was trying to do this as a stealth camping thing. It really didn't work out when you have a huge antenna hanging off the top of your vehicle. So that idea kind of went away. If you have any other suggestions, OTAs, on the airs, let me know. Maybe I'll give it a shot. YouTube wants you to watch these videos coming up, and I happen to agree with them. 73.